Hey guys, welcome back to another Budgie Marx video. Today we're going to be reacting to more of my friends' first and most popular videos. Okay, let's get into it. No, we're not gonna do anything this one. Sorry. This is not my stuff. Hold on, let me get to the okay, so we're going to be reacting to Mike Plays' first video. Okay?
Hey guys, I'm back. Yeah, it's been a while, guys. So you guys seen my other YouTube channel?
Fortnite bad.
It got too restricted that much. Didn't get so popular. So I made
Minecraft
a new one.
good.
Just in case if my other YouTube channel is still good, by the way. I just decided to make a new one because it got too restricted. And I looked at the videos on my laptop. I couldn't even watch them. It said, I think video restricted or something. So yeah, guys. So yeah, made a new one. And it took me some time, so made a new account. I made this channel actually probably a year ago, and I still make videos on my other one. So I'm like, hey, I should make videos on this one. So yeah, guys, make sure like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell, because I will be mostly streaming, making videos on maybe
Dr. Mario World,
Roblox or Dr. Mario.
He doesn't even
or
play
Pure
Dr.
Destruction,
Mario.
and I will also be streaming Fortnite, maybe
bad.
Mario Maker,
Minecraft
Nintendo
good.
games, Sega games, yep. And I will be making maybe a little bit of vlogs.
What about the
so,
comparison?
yeah, guys, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and yep, I will be making videos coming soon, but
Okay.
I barely just started
dying.
school already, so I started school like a week ago, so
Okay, yeah. You don't need
sorry
to tell
guys,
us.
but don't worry, I will
Eric.
still be streaming. Alright, so yeah, thank you all, and I hope this part helped. So yeah, making videos on this YouTube channel. So yeah, see you all in the next video. Bye.
Okay, so that was his. Let's move on to his most popular video. Okay, so this is his most popular video. It's Roblox Beekeeper's brand new update. Yeah, let's react.
What is up, everyone, and we're
So
here
this
with
is
the brand
Beekeepers.
new update of Roblox Beekeepers.
I play Beast One
Yes,
Simulator.
we're here with the brand new update coming right now. Oh, what's happening now? Let's see what's going on.
Oh,
okay.
it's gone.
Teleport back. You should be teleported back in 30 seconds. Okay. You ready? It's 5 o'clock. Around time. Let's see what new stuff there is. Ready to see.
Mike Plays. Yeah, this is what he was once called. See, he made a betraying video about it.
Ooh, I'm actually excited for this.
What's this?
Here you go. I'm so excited.
19 minutes. You know what? I think I might skip. Hold on.
Like.
Okay. Yeah, I feel like if this game is either a rip-off of Beast One Simulator, cause it looks different, but I feel like if it's fake. Yeah, and also Beast One Simulator got an update as well, winter update. Oh my God.
Done.
Oh wow, he has to push the popsicle. All you need in Beast One Simulator, all you need to do is just tap the screen. It automatically
and now
collects.
We go to that bear, we can get our golden egg.
I only got like 2 of those things. Basic bear. What about black bear?
Ooh, basic egg.
Golden egg. Yeah, I don't know if this is a rip-off.
Okay, I finally got my
or it's the
golden
second
egg.
one.
So we can put it.
Hey, Mike Plays, who
right
made this
here.
game? Just put it in already.
Oh, got a shy bee. Oh, it's
I
epic.
kind of want that.
Okay, then we got some 12 royal bees. I'll do it on my bumblebee. Another
Thunder
epic
bee.
bee. We got thunder one. Let's check this one out. Special. So that's gonna be it. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.
Okay, that's it. Okay, that's all. Let's move on to the next channel. Okay, so now we're going to be reacting to RoomAlex6843's first video. It's only 3 minutes long, I guess. Offline. F. Your mic is on. Yeah, I feel like if this is something with a rip off of Minecraft. Skip it to the middle. Sorry, guys. You recorder. What is that? They're all monsters. Oh, that's it? Oh, okay. Well, let's move on to his most popular video. Okay, so this is his most popular video. It is long, so yeah. We'll skip. PlayStation 2, that's what I have. Fat 3 or 20th anniversary. Oh, it's a fat PlayStation 3. S really wants that. 20th anniversary. What about Nintendo?
No, let's just make a new world. Let's just make a survival.
Steven Universe? I didn't even know that was even a texture pack. Because all I have is Adventure Time, a texture pack.
Medium size.
And it has the mod, the background of Wii U.
Let's just. I'm gonna need this. Oh.
Yeah. What is that? A village? Oh no, it's a raid. You must defeat all the bad guys.
Oh no, you don't, buddy. You're not. Anyway.
Oh, he got dropped an iron sword.
Screw you. Ah, now I got an upgrade.
Nice.
So where's the last guy? Where's the last guy? Where the heck is this last guy at?
Sweet berries.
Right here. He's the Ravager.
Ravagers. Aren't those things aggressive? Oh yeah, also you guys, I was playing some Minecraft Wii U yesterday after I made the first reaction video, and my game crashed. I was running too many things at one time. I was trying to spawn a bunch of mobs in a crusher while using a minecart and activator rail. And I got close to it and the game was like, nope, and it crashed.
Well guys, we'll just call it a day here. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time on the next video. Bye.
20th anniversary. Share factory. Okay, on to our next channel. So this second video was by a friend of mine. So he did subscribe to my channel. So let's watch.
Oh, guys, I'm bored. Yeah, Mitchell, there's nothing to do today. Yeah, there's nothing to do today. Yeah.
I do multiple characters like Steve, but I change their voices.
Big idea? What do you mean your big
normal
idea?
voice. And
I
Steve, I do this voice. Let me try it.
Big idea, did we just do it?
Hey guys,
Tails,
subscribe to Budgie Marx.
Big idea. What do you mean?
Yeah, that's Steve's voice.
Never mind. Yeah, that's what I thought. I'm just gonna go play Record until I get my big idea. Okay, you go ahead, Tails. I'm just gonna play Record. Alright, me too. I don't know. Tails, come here! Wait, what? Come here, Tails, come here. Take that, Tails. Oh, I hate Tails.
He's pissed. Really pissed. He's raging.
Oh, I hate Tails. Oh, just gonna go eat pizza.
He got so mad.
Oh, that was so bad how Knuckles did that. He threw me on the Sonic movie poster. Why? He threw my favorite movie.
This guy must be a really huge fan of Sega and Sonic.
Eat some pizza. Tails,
Also,
I don't know why
what
he
kind of
threw you.
conscience he has.
I know Sonic, he did that for some reason. I know, he's pretty stupid. It killed me?
Can we?
Yeah, first I'm gonna go get water. Okay.
Oh, PS4 controller.
Yes, this is so much fun. Yes, this is so much fun. I love playing Rec Room on PS4. Yay.
Yeah, PS4 controller.
Alright, I should be done for now. Alright, Tails, this is fun. Yeah, Sonic, so should we just get out of here now? Yeah, I guess we're done. Alright, see ya.
And normally
Yeah,
I
see
might
ya,
play
too.
with my videos as well. I had him in my first video as well. So, let's do this most popular video now. So this second one is by Shotcat. Let's watch it. It's Kirby Wants a Maximum Tomato. What's wrong with your music there? I wonder when Mike Plays and Mia are going to play the game again. We're on Sand Canyon. We just beat Ripple Field a while ago. Oh, okay, that's it. Okay, the most popular. I have a plan to kill Mario. Oh, 41 seconds. Come in. Look how derpy is.
It's me, Mario.
What do I do?
Yeah. What are you doing with me? Throw up / choke / gag noises.
Oh, he's got a thruster.
Hooray. We killed Mario Long.
You didn't even give me a chance to tell it. Oh, well, that's it. Okay, next one. Okay, so this is going to be the last channel we're going to react for the day. Just this video and the most popular video. And, yeah, and also Mike Plays really wanted me to do this. So, yeah, here it is, Mike Plays. He's going to be jumping.
Guys, welcome to his brand new channel. Today we're doing
This is his first video. His first channel.
Random stuff in the hat.
When we were kids.
We close our eyes, shuffle it around.
Okay,
Then we pick something.
Why is the camera so shiny, though? It kind of
We have to do it.
looks like if,
So it's me.
after he came out of the pool.
When I pick it, you have
Well, having my eyes open in the water.
When you pick it, I have to do it too.
Everything's shiny, but it wears off eventually.
Why? Because I flip patties. Alright, no, alright, you first.
Derek was kind of chubby back then. Well, their parents have always stayed the same.
Throw a rock in the face.
Sort of.
Throw a rock in the face. Okay, but don't do a tiny rock. Alright, whatever.
A tiny.
in the shade.
Who is this? Who's the camera guy?
There's a whole bunch of rocks over here.
You guys are black.
Who's that?
Okay, got it.
Who's that? Lake Elsinore?
Small, tiny rock. Was that tiny rock? Is that tiny? Let's go back. Yeah, it's a rock. Is it tiny? No, just one.
Soccer. I might do see if he plays soccer.
Just one. Alright. Okay, no,
Also, just to let you know, guys, I'll start uploading on the weekends, Saturday and Sunday. I don't really have time to upload on the weekdays as much anymore because break is over.
Close your eyes because it's gonna hurt. If you move your hand. Just close your eyes and no, don't do it. Do it right here. All right, ready? Okay. Just do it. Move your hands then. It hurts. Yeah. Alright.
How long is this video? 5 minutes.
Yeah, we should it didn't even hurt that much. Pick one already. I am.
I'll also get an outro in the next season.
No, this is one that.
Season 6. Budgie Marx.
Let me do it.
Yeah, everything's too shiny.
Alright, you said you were gonna do it. No, you're gonna do it. Because you picked it. No, but you said. Hard and I'm gonna delete it. Yeah, don't. You're gonna kick me. But not that hard. Let me see how you're gonna kick in my hand. Okay, don't kick. Okay. Pretend this is my ball, alright? Okay, but don't. Kick it as hard as you're gonna kick. But stop. The lightest. Alright, go. Alright, go. Right here.
Oh, this is gonna go out badly.
Yeah, but don't do it. Not right here. Look, give me your leg. Give me your leg. Alright, you're gonna kick it right there, right there.
That's kind of weird.
Okay, wait, just stop. If you do it hard, alright, I'm gonna delete it. Alright, go. You're gonna have to kick
He's gonna kick it so hard. Oh, trust me, that actually hurts.
Yeah, whatever.
Just do it already. Make him fall on the floor. Just kick him in the balls already.
Yeah, you got that one. Okay.
Was there, I think there's one that he had to either drink ketchup or hot sauce.
What's that mean? Oh, if this means go like that? You have to twist me, huh? No, I don't have to twist you. I have to twist myself, yeah? Okay. Like, I'm going like that, and then go like, wait, okay. That was it. There, that's all. Okay, go. There,
I'm making it me a camera real soon. Not so sure when though.
Drink tapatio.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Drink tapatio.
Alright, so I'm gonna drink tapatio, ready? Be careful. Don't throw air at me. Okay, squirt this.
No, yeah, that was Eric's old sweater. I don't even think he has it anymore.
Oh, that's a lot.
Was that at Lake Elsinore? Because I've been there before. My parents have been to there at the mall. The outlets, actually. The outlets.
I know. You have to do it. No, I don't want to do it.
Eric was kind of a baby back then. Yeah, right now he's more aggressive. Yeah. This is not his most popular video, but I will say this is the funniest.
No.
The building.
Oh, I didn't see that part before. Oh. Okay, so yeah, that'll be it for the reaction. I will be reacting to more channels soon. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you please enjoy, like and subscribe and share. Ring that bell for notifications so you don't miss further content. And here's the first video. There's some Among Us, some Roblox, some real games. Oh look, it's Eric. Yeah, that's him from now. He goes to Area 52. Eric again. Area 52 is just something. Oh, that's the first video he ever showed his face in. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you please enjoy, like, subscribe, and share. Ring the bell so you don't miss further notifications. Push all, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye.